A dry fit just means that you're going to assemble your project in such a way that you can see that you're going to see that it's actually going to go together. Okay, so it looks like we're good here, my friends. Okay, looks like we're good. Gonna seat down in there. Okay, there is some issue here where we see that there is glue. Look at the copious amounts of glue that they've got on here, my friends. I'm going to get a wider chisel. Let's just clean that up real quick. My goodness, I'm starting to feel like this old house. So, alright, so again, you're at SC Custom Designs, and we're doing a repair on the fly. Kind of risky because you just don't know what can happen. So, alright, we just want to get this glue out of the picture. It's in my way at the moment. And so let's try to get that off. Oops. Come this way a little bit. Okay. You will be surprised how much you can do on your own with your wood shop. I have a very, very old house, and I had to replace the underside of a window, the bottom rail or stile, what it is, the rail maybe. I had to get that guy, I had to make one, so there's an episode on that. Alright, hopefully that glue went in my coffee because I love the taste of old dried glue. Okay. Hopefully that'll be a little bit better. Let's have a look, my friends. Let's set this guy down in here. And, oh sorry, I moved quick again. I move quick because I have to work quick. It's kind of how it is, right? So I think I'll be better off if I try to put it on this way. Alright, wise thing would be to go ahead and clamp the sides together so it doesn't move all over the place, right? So again, we're doing this on the fly, and so that can be tricky. I want to make sure, again, we're doing what we call a dry fit. I want to make sure that the unit is going to go together. I think I'm going to take my own advice and go get a clamp where I can hold that together. Getting a little bit of a tour of the wood shop. Okay, that cup of coffee is just destined to get spoiled. Alright, we got 6 minutes left. I just don't think I'm going to make it. I don't think I'm going to make it, my friends. But oh well. Let's just put a little bit of pressure. I don't need a ton. Alright, let's set that down in there. Would help if it were the right way. Okay, drop it down. This little metal piece seems to be getting in the way. It's probably what was stopping me before. Okay. There we go. This is what we call the dry fit. Make sure that it's going to go in. Alright. And it looks like it will. That's the goal, my friends. Alright, so let's try to do this thing. Let's take it back apart and let's put the glue where the glue needs to go. And that's going to be here and here. Okay, let's just do that real quick. Do it real quick. Again, I'd rather put on too much glue, my friends. You can always clean that up. Okay. Always clean that up. Okay. Alright. I'm not going to put any glue in there because it's just going to get a little bit too messy for me. And you can see I use that to spread out get the extra glue off. Alright. So let's take this clamp once again. Give a little bit of pressure. So if I had 10 hands, I'd be better off. Plus I could join the circus, because I want to see somebody with 10 hands. All right, so let's drop that back in there. We got a reasonable amount of time because it's just wood glue, right? Let's get that in there. I'll turn it around. There's a reasonable assurance that it's not going to go too far on me. All right. You gotta love doing things live, my friends. There it went. See it? Now that one went out. It's all right. We'll get it. We'll get it. This is when the rubber meets the road. Okay. Let's turn that around again. Do the push, the pull. Everything we can do to make it work. Is that it, my friend? I'm not sure. Okay, I'm just going to get a little bit of pressure on the clamp again, so that it can, we could just use our convincer, right? Use the convincer. Okay, so this guy needs to come in there. Guess what we need to get? Another clamp. Let's go do that, my friends. So I don't usually do this live business. I'm a one-man show. I do this on the side. I don't have people working for me to say, hey, hold this. Right? So we'll just give a little bit of pressure in there. We still feeling confident, my friends? Now we're going to use our pin gun. Okay, I already put the pins in there, and we're going to drive it home. Okay, let's go upside down. Now the beauty of a pin gun, battery operated, is I don't have a hose to contend with, right? I don't have a hose. I don't have to worry about a hose. Let's come over here and do this side. Keep your fingers away from the pins, where the pins are going to go. If we'll be honest, we know that at one time or another, we've probably pinned ourselves. And just being honest, right? Hey, it's a little quieter down here because I have, where did my pin gun go? We turned our heater off. All right, let's put them in. Another one. Come over this side. Move your hands away. All right. Now we hope that this is going to do the job. Get this back to the customer. And there you go. So we showed you various technique on dropping things on the floor, on getting through a project. I'm glad that dropped on the floor because first of all, it said get another sip of coffee. Second of all, it said, I gotta try to entertain. I wanted to say that we have various styles of push blocks and ways of pushing our material through. Now if I looked at my options for pushing that thin piece through, right? This guy, awkward, no, you lose. What about this guy? It's kind of like the same thing, you lose. What about this guy? I could technically push it down through and keep pushing this way and this way and this way. I could use this guy. Look at this guy. He just rides right against the fence. But again, it's all about, that would be my first choice. Out of these, this is what you want to use, my friends. The gripper keeps your hands safe. I'm not a salesman for anything I show you in my shop other than just having fun in the wood shop and servicing customers. Okay? All right, this is a very simple project, okay? But we get to discuss technique. All right? Now, I want to thank you for coming into the wood shop. And there's my timer. Look at that, my friends. I think I get a star. All right, once again, I'm still working on not moving my head everywhere. Looks like I have to do a little bit of cleanup in the shop. So today we used the radial arm saw. We used the pin gun. We used clamps. I was going to show you this guy here that helps you to score lines along the edge of something, right? We used the table saw. Of course, we used the dust collector, but not at all times. I didn't use my air protection because, as I said, it moves my camera around. Thank you, everybody, for coming into the shop. These guys appreciate it. All right. Thanks for watching. Again, please, if you like what you see, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell, and you will be reminded. Please go to secustomdesigns.com and you can browse through and see my work. It is under construction, so please be gentle when you go there. So at any rate, and we're all over the place. So thanks again for watching. God bless and take care.